Okay, welcome back to Ron's Garage. It's Thursday afternoon, just got off work. Thought I would stop by the garage and do a little investigating on this steering box before I cut that shaft off. First, got a real good view here of just how crooked that weld job is on that. I'm not sure if you can tell, but standing here, it's really pushed far to the right. So, but anyway, I thought I'd check and see if it had any grease in it. And let's see if I can show you that it is bone dry in there. And also, I pulled off, what did I do with it? Here it is. I pulled off the adjuster. Best of my recollection, this should not be able to come off of there. I thought that was all a one-piece thing that slid into don't quite remember what that part's called, but it slid in there to be able to push this up and down to adjust it. Well, I unscrewed the nut and the whole thing was turning and I couldn't break that loose, so I just said, well, let me just try turning it all the way and see if I can break it loose. Well, it didn't. It came all the way off. And I don't think that's supposed to happen. There is a little indentation in that. It's almost like a plug. And then also down inside, there's a hole in that thing. And I don't know if those two were connected. I'm not 100% sure on this vintage of a steering box, whether that just is pushed down to adjust or whether it is in fact supposed to be connected. I just don't know. So maybe somebody else does and can give me a little hand figuring that out. So now I'm thinking I might have to just replace this box. I don't know. I do not know. I wouldn't even have a clue where to start, what to get for it. I don't know if there's any external measurements because it's got kind of a long shaft on it down there. It goes down to the pitman arm. And this, the best I can tell, this was never splined unless it was farther up and it got cut here at some point. It does have a little wiggle in that, but I can see that inside, and I don't know if that would be taken up by the grease and the adjustment that's supposed to be able to happen there. I don't know. And as you can probably figure out, knowledge on this box is not readily available on the internet. So I'm kind of stumped on this one. I don't want to put it back in and try to measure up for a steering shaft if I'm going to change this. But at the same time, I'd really like to get the steering going, just in case I got to move this car. It's going to have to be trailered no matter where I put it, for now, but steering would help get it out onto a trailer or a tow truck anyway. But so that's where I am. If anybody has an idea, please let me know. I'll do some checking myself and see what I can find on the internet. I've looked a little bit and I didn't find much, but I'll try again. And I'll go from there. I mean, maybe this is normal. Maybe it is the way it's supposed to be, and I just don't know it. So I would like to know it. So if anybody else knows, let me know, and then we'll all know. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm pretty much done here for now. I'm kind of stumped with this. There's more I could do, but it's kind of late in the day, so I really don't want to get into anything right now. Saturday, I'll be back over here I got all day just about, so I'll be back over for a few hours anyway to play with some other stuff. But in the meantime, if you know, let me know. Thanks. Bye.